The fishermen had to stop their fishing trip after being attacked by sharks. The shark hit so hard that it nearly knocked them out of the canoe.
Oh my gosh!
This wasn't someone's decorative piece. It was a spiderweb rain found in Bali, Indonesia. Call this fish the robber because it successfully snatched the man's glasses. The eagle is known as the king of the sky because of its size and strength. But this king was quite mischievous and wanted to join in the game. This hotel was designed for guests to ski straight to their rooms. That's why this mountain lion could show up in the lobby. This unlucky warthog lost its guard and got too close to the rhino. It didn't expect the rhino to react so fast.
Woo!
The swan was like, "Are you new here, boy? You better know who's the boss here."
Ooh.
Because the employee forgot to close the pen, around 100 ostriches raced through the streets. The rampage of these giant birds left locals feeling alarmed.
Uyo. Papa!
来了来了，别快别快，
拍照拍照拍照
快点快点。
拍照。